Imagine waking up one day, glancing out your window and seeing the moon twice its usual size in the sky. Quite a sight to behold, isn't it? This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but a hypothetical situation we're exploring today. What if our faithful satellite, the moon, decided to break its routine and inch closer to us? The moon has always been a celestial companion, illuminating our nights with its silvery glow. But what if it came closer? Just imagine the moon hanging low in the sky, its craters and valleys suddenly appearing larger and more intricate. A sight so surreal, it would leave us in awe and a bit of shock. The moon's serene beauty would be amplified, becoming an even more prominent feature of our night sky. This lunar surprise would certainly leave us spellbound. But what would it really mean for us if the moon suddenly decided to take a closer look at Earth? The moon's proximity to Earth has a significant impact on our planet, particularly on our oceans. Let's dive into some science, shall we? The moon, our celestial neighbor, tugs at our planet's water, causing tides to ebb and flow. This gravitational dance is a well-choreographed routine that's been performed for billions of years. But imagine if our moon decided to break this cosmic two-step and move a little closer to us. The result? A tidal turmoil. The gravitational pull would increase, causing our tides to rise higher. Imagine waves towering over skyscrapers, turning our serene beaches into watery arenas. And it's not just about higher tides. The increased gravitational pull could trigger more intense tidal waves, which could lead to more frequent and devastating tsunamis. Coastal cities would face the threat of being swallowed by the sea, so a closer moon could mean more dramatic coastal changes and even potential flooding. But that's not all. The moon doesn't just affect our oceans, it also has a profound influence on the Earth itself. Now you might be wondering, how so? Well, the moon's gravitational pull doesn't just create tides in our oceans, it also tugs at the Earth's crust, causing what we call earth tides. Just like ocean tides, earth tides are a rhythmic rise and fall of the Earth's surface. They are not as noticeable as ocean tides, but they are there, subtly shifting our landscape. Now imagine the moon coming closer to Earth. The gravitational pull would be stronger, intensifying these earth tides. This could potentially lead to increased seismic activity. Think about it like this. The Earth's crust is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, each piece or tectonic plate fitting snugly with its neighbors. But with more intense earth tides, those pieces could start to jostle, leading to more earthquakes. Therefore, a closer moon might not just flood our coasts, but could also shake our ground. It sounds pretty grim, but there might be some benefits to a closer moon. Imagine for a moment the realm of space exploration. A moon within our grasp could potentially open up unprecedented avenues for lunar exploration. The cost and risks associated with space travel could significantly be reduced, making the moon a more accessible destination for scientists and perhaps even for the common man. Beyond the practical, a larger moon looming in our sky could have profound cultural and mythological implications. Our moon has always been a source of inspiration, a muse for poets, painters, and dreamers. A closer moon could amplify this inspiration, leading to a new wave of lunar-influenced art and literature. So, if the moon ever does decide to move in closer, it might not be all bad news. But for now, we can appreciate our lunar neighbor from a safe and comfortable distance.